Hello, John Bloodworth, Gentleman Crafty here with another Scan and Cut Saturday. This week I'd like to talk to you about Walker Crafty Arts. Walker Crafty Arts have basically recently started producing a range of accessories for the Scan and Cut machines using 3D printing technology. And I was very interested in a couple of particular products that they had, so I wanted to get hold of one and then give you my thoughts on it. So Lee at Walker Crafty Arts has very kindly sent me through some samples to try out and play with and see what I think. So here are my thoughts. As I said, Lee very kindly sent me some things to try out. So here I've got a tool caddy for the Scan and Cut, a mat hanger for the Scan and Cut, support extenders for the SDX machines, and Lee tells me there are some for the CM models on the way as well. And then a stamping tool, which isn't necessarily for the Scan and Cut, so I'll probably cover that in a later video. The tool caddy comes in a range of different sizes and supports different types of tools, so it's probably best you check out the Walker Crafty Arts website for that to see if there's any that take your fancy. The one that I got is the large, I believe, and it sits perfectly in the well of the SDX machine on top. Now, the things that particularly took my eye were the mat support extenders. If you've ever had mat separation happen to you, and here's an example, this is simply purely because your mat's running out sticky and it's bending and your substrate is probably much stiffer than the mat it's sitting on. So inevitably it will happen. This isn't a fault of the machines, this is just, now is it physics or chemistry? I can't remember, but basically physics, isn't it? Because it would be forces. Anyway, blah, blah, blah. What was I saying? Oh yeah, the mat extenders. Basically, I've always thought that even way back when with the CM machines, they needed more platform for the mat to sit on. So for those of you that also think that, or for those of you that don't have the table space like I do and you tend to operate your machine on a trolley, these might be the answer for you. Now, CM model owners, there will be a version of this coming out for you soon, but at present there was only an SDX version available, so I'm only going to be showing the SDX model in this video. It'll pretty much work in a very similar way. You'll just need to refer to the Walker Crafty Arts website for how to fit the mat extenders to your machines. Okay, let's take a look. So here is my machine set up with all of the mats fully extended. Now you can probably tell from that the mat won't be fully supported on its entire journey through the machine. So to fit these mat support extenders, we basically follow the very simple instructions of small drawer, large drawer, pop them in with the hook inside, and then just jiggle in place till they fit snugly. No screwdrivers, no glue, no tape, no fixers, no nothing. Just open the drawer, stick it in, close the drawer. Simple as that. And then for the back extenders, we pull out the the platform, and fit them on either side. Clunk, click every trip, as they used to say in the, 70s on that public service announcement. Anyway, so this is now what it looks like. So you can see we've got now support for the entire journey, and here's the mat going through on a scanning operation where it takes it the full length. So you can see there is support for that mat on its entire journey just by adding these 4 support extenders, which I think is pretty genius. There you go. Sometimes the simplest solutions are in fact the best. If it's something that interests you, head over to the websites mentioned below the description, below the video in the description on YouTube, or of course on the corresponding blog post on my website, gentlemancrafter.com. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and I will see you again next Saturday. Bye for now.